morning, Kirti. I'm doing great. What about you?
I'm also doing great. Thanks for asking. As we are meeting for the first time, let's introduce ourselves. So you will go first, or I should start?
Okay, let me introduce myself first. Just recently I completed my morning routine, and now I'm really looking forward to have a fruitful conversation with you. So, about my introduction. So, my name is Mamta Prajapati. Basically, I belong to the Jaipur city in Rajasthan, and I have completed my graduation from Gujarat in Surat city. And I recently completed BCA in computer science. And currently, I'm working as a YouTuber. I have a YouTube channel named Mamta Inspires. So, I'm preparing for cabin crew interviews. And talking about my hobbies, so I love reading books, doing yoga, and doing playing badminton. That's about me.
Super introduction. You're doing lots of things in your life. Okay, I should introduce myself too. My name is Kriti, as you know, and I am pursuing my post graduation right now. And apart from this, I love reading books as well as doing some paintings. And that's all about me. A brief and short introduction.
Okay, right now you are doing your graduation.
I'm doing my post graduation.
Yeah, post graduation. Okay, and you're from?
I am from UP, but means I'm from Bihar, but I'm living in UP right now.
Okay, you're from Bihar. I have many friends who are from Bihar and UP. You guys have a very good culture.
Yeah, Bihar have so many culture because it is all over India. If you will see that Biharis are everywhere, so they perform their tradition as well as their culture everywhere. They do. So
Amazing.
you told me that you want to be a cabin crew, so that's why you're learning this language.
Yeah, that's the main reason that I'm learning this language because in cabin crew profession, English is necessary. Hindi language and English language both are necessary. That's why recently I have started learning this language. I'm asking how long I've been learning this language.
I am learning this language from last 2 3 months only. I'm working persistent here, but due to my college exam and there was lots of assignments, so in December 1 month I was not so much consistent. But when I completed my all the project as well as my internet test, then I get into the conversational videos and talking to stranger, co-learner, everyone.
Okay, so it has been only 2 or 3 months and you are speaking English.
Yeah,
It's really appreciable because when I started, so I was so nervous and uncomfortable to talk with any strangers. Just recently, I have started. So it's really amazing.
so how long you have been learning this language? It's 1 year.
Yeah, back in 2020, when I passed out my 12th, then I made my mind that now I have to learn this language because my childhood dream is to become a cabin crew. So after 2020, I started, but I didn't start speaking English. I was just doing learning grammar and reading, listening. But in just the past 6 months, I have started. So it has been 6 months I have started speaking English. It took me 2 or 3 years to make myself comfortable that yes, now I have to speak.
You are speaking quite good. I have watched your YouTube videos, and you was making a very good conversational video as well as you are making solo videos as well. So I have watched them. So I find out that you are speaking quite good. Um, so tell me about something about Jaipur. I am so curious to know because Jaipur is also a very great city. Whenever I see the people going there, and there's so many monument and historical place. I think so.
Yeah, Jaipur is also known as Pink City, and it's a historical place. People come here to do photo shoot because here there are many old buildings and havelis, and people most of the time they come here to visit because we have like many historical places, Jal Mahal, Hawa Mahal, and Jantar Mantar, and there are many places. So, like for photo shoot, in wedding shoot, pre-wedding shoot, they come here to do this. And if I talk about food, so in sweets, ghevar, Hari. These are the sweets. And dal bati churma. This is the most famous food in our whole Rajasthan, not in just Jaipur.
Yeah, I have seen some of the reels as well as as you are telling that the photo shoot people go there, and the monuments are quite beautiful. I have seen that the monuments as well as historical place. This is quite attracting to people. So many, it grabbed attention. I can say very
Yeah.
easily.
Hmm. When like recently I visited Jaipur, like I'm from Jaipur, but not in proper Jaipur, like nearby Jaipur. So recently I visited and I was like amazed to see everything like hospitals, every school, Every garden you will see in just pink color. All the shops are, it's like eye-catchy things. I enjoyed
As
a
well
lot.
as I think so soil is also pinky. I'm right or wrong? Soil.
Yeah,
Soil.
absolutely.
Yeah. That's why it is called Pink City. Have you ever visited Udaipur? It is nearby, I think so, Jaipur. Na?
Yeah,
Have you ever?
mhm. I have visited once when I was a child, but not now recently. So now, Kirti, I have one question for you. That how long have you using this particular application?
As I told you that my first conversation with Manju ma'am, she told me I just mailed her that ma'am I want to talk to you. So how I can connect to you? So she told me that you download Zoom app. First she said that download again Zoom was not working good. So then she recommended me to download this Skype app. So I downloaded it and then I make a call to her and I talked to her. That day I was so much underconfident. I am telling what me how I will talk to her, what I will say. She was only asking question. I have not put any question with her. So only I was answering the question and she has put lots of question and I was able to answer. So that day I found that if I will talk to so many people, then maybe my confidence will build up because I'm so much underconfident that time. So I started talking to everyone, whoever I got. I just mailed them and then I talked to her. The second conversation I was done with Roshan sir. He's also from Bihar, and I mailed her. Then he also accepted my request, and I talked to her. So by this, I was able to talk to everyone, and now I'm approaching and someone just like you have mailed me, as well as I'm also mailing some person whoever I find in my YouTube channel recommend me. So I try to talk to them. So that way I am able to speak as well as I was using some of the CV app as well. You know about that. That is a random call. If I find person decent, if he's speaking like a decent, then I talk to her. Otherwise, I just hang out the call.
Hmm. Yeah, it happens like once when you do something new, so it happens. But with time, you gain confidence. So
Sorry,
I'm asking in a day, with how many people you do conversation in a day only?
in a day only once.
Okay.
Not yeah, not more than that. Because actually I'm preparing for exam as well as it's not only my that I have to grow in YouTube channel or something else. I first my focus is my studies. This is my secondary, just like a hobby you can say. It's just secondary thing that I'm doing conversation to build up my confidence. I'm more focused my communication skill on because in future whoever know that what the generation is going to be in school as well as in college everywhere you can see that the person are recommended to talk in English only. If you will go in good university, only they will recommend you only when you have good communication skills. So I find out that communication skill is very important nowadays. So I should work on that.
Yes, English is the most important language. Like it's the first spoken language. It is important in personal life as well and in professional life as well.
When it's come writing, I can write very well. Means the words come in my mind. But when I start speaking, the I think so words I forget. I forget the all the words. So it happened with everyone. I was thinking that it's happened with me only, but the realistic point is that this has happened with everyone.
Yeah, it happens. This is the proof that you are learning something. When you are becoming uncomfortable, means you are learning it. On CV application, I really have a very good experience. That is the application that helped me a lot to boost my confidence and to learn something new from strangers and to learn fluency in English.
So
Yeah.
you are talking to native speaker.
No, not native speakers, the people who are from Kerala, Mumbai, Delhi, Punjab. Yeah.
So how do you mail by YouTube or just any other app you are using to?
No, only from YouTube. Whenever I see that this person is speaking in English and curious to learn this language, then I mail that person and have conversation.
Okay, yeah, I understand. So how many members are there in your family?
Well, there are 5 members in my family, including me, my parents. I have an elder sister. She got married 1 year ago. I'm the middle one, and I have one younger sister as well. She is doing her schooling. Right.
Okay, okay. So have you ever tried to give some interviews in cabin crew? How it's processed? Tell me something about that because I don't know anything about cabin crew. What it's means I know that in plane people do the job, but I don't know what the process happens regarding that.
Yeah, so there are first we have to check criteria. I am filling the criteria or not. So like every airline have their different criteria. So right now I'm preparing for Indigo Airlines. Okay, so in that airline, so 1.5 centimeter, that is the height criteria, and weight, BMI, you have to clear all those things, and 12th pass, that is the qualification. You must have. So yeah, I in November month, recently in November 2024, I have given the interview.
Okay. So have you qualified that interview? Uh,
No, actually, there are four rounds that we have to clear in order to become a cabin crew. So I cleared the first round, that was JD round, and the second round was a BMI round. So in that round, I got rejected just because of the I have underweight. I'm underweight, 5 kg underweight. That's why. So these days I'm just working on gaining weight so that just as soon as I go for the
means
interview.
weight is also an important role there.
Yeah, it's really. They cannot adjust for 1 kg. So I was a 5 kg underweight.
Oh my goodness. I am shocked that for weight people get rejected. This is the first job that I am listening from you that for a weight people get rejected. You should
Because
work on that.
yeah, right now I'm working on that. 5 kg. So like from my childhood, I'm very skinny person. So it's really hard for me to gain weight. So next question I have for you, Kizzy. Like, do you have any regrets in your life till now?
Huh?
Do you have any regrets in your life till now?
No any regret I have till now. Yeah, only one regret is that I'm not focusing on my spiritual life more. So that is the only regret and nothing else.
In spiritual life means you want to do prayers every day. That is.
Yeah, it means I do prayer, but the quality of the prayer is not so good right now. You know, not only you have to work on quantity, you have to work on quality also. So that's why I am little bit regret about that. Otherwise, no regret is there.
Okay, amazing. It means you are living your life peacefully.
Not so much, but I'm trying every day my best to be spiritual. Because I don't know why it's given me a lot of happiness. Everyone life has some kind of happiness. Someone get by the external object. I don't get any external object give me a happiness. The thing is that the internal happiness is more important, right? So I only trying to be happy with my internal space and my self space, you can say self love, and to be connected more close to God. Right now I'm focusing on that only.
Hmm. It's really amazing when do you do prayers every day. So it's really amazing. You feel like you are done with your work. Now results are in your God's hand. Yeah, it's really important. I do every day prayer. So one last question I have for you. That many of my subscribers comment this thing that where we should start. They want to learn English, but they don't know that where they should start. So how did you start?
My recommendation is that we should start at any point we are right now. If I don't know anything, so we should start speaking at least, because when you will not speak a single word, how you can imagine that you are going to be a fluent in English? Not that is not recommended. So I will only say that first start speaking whatever the word you have in your mind. Just start speaking, what will come automatically when you will get started with this journey. You will start searching. There are so many nowadays. I can say YouTube is giving everything. You will search any point you can get. It is educated. It takes time that you are going to get a good channel or good thing, but you will get the things if you start the journey. There are so many educational channel who is going to teach you grammar, tense, anything. If you are facing problems sometime, I have seen that sometime subscribers say that I can talk, but I do lot of grammatical mistake. So what I feel that whenever you do some grammatical mistake, go search on that YouTube channel, and you are going to get multiple I think so video that will teach you the grammar. If you have problem in subject verb agreement, then go and search about that. You will get the thing. So nowadays there is no impossibility to before it was very difficult when the internet was not there. Then people, how they can afford those price. But nowadays everything is affordable. We can do, and we should first. I will recommend that we should start speaking anything whatever we have. And there I have recommend you that there is a CV app. So CV I have found that is beneficial because I see that people are quite fluent there. They speak and they have good fluency over there. So this app is wonderful, and we all can try this. If we have no any partner, so we can talk to them anything, whatever topic you have. Someone don't want to talk, but you tell her that I want to talk in this topic. Are you ready for that? If he is ready, then he will talk. If he is not ready, then you disconnect the call. It is the good idea, right? If you want to add something, then you can add.
I'm totally agree with you. You know what? I also started from very scratch, and you also. Like in this generation, we do not have to spend any single rupee, and you can learn this language. But most of the people have this mindset that I can't speak. I can't speak. They just repeat one thing only that I can't speak. I can understand. I can read English, but I can't speak. So first, they have to change this mindset. Yeah. Like language is all about speaking. It is not just about reading or understanding. You can do everything with this single device. Your phone is everything for this language.
Yeah, you are absolutely right. We have to not just what I can say, that we should not say ourselves that we cannot do. We should always say that we can do anything. This should be a positive mindset. We should put every time that yeah, we can do anything. We should keep calm and composed and work according to the what the future goal you have. You should work according to that. You will get one day's achievement. We should not hurry up in anything. That yeah, today I have started and today I will get the fluency. No, I'm not agree with this agreement. Yeah, but it takes time. You will get the fluency.
Yeah, nice. You have any questions, so feel free to ask. Otherwise, we can wrap up the session.
No, I have asked whatever I want to ask. Thanks for this wonderful conversation, and thank you so much. I will say I have overjoyed with you while talking.
Yeah, I am also happy that you accepted my request, and we both were able to hold the conversation very nicely. And one day, yes, we both will achieve our dreams. Fingers crossed.